Tired of chronic pain holding you back? Sick of pills with side effects? What if there's a better way? Introducing the W1 REGEN by MATELASER. Using cutting-edge VCSEL dual wavelength technology, W1 REGEN penetrates deep into your muscles and bones, activating your cells' energy engines, supercharging them to release a powerful stream of ATP energy, all without a single pill. Pre-activate in 60 seconds. Strap on. Tap the app. Clinically proven, LLT boosts endurance 20 to 30% and triples recovery speed. Dominate your spin class. Mid-workout pain? Switch modes.
Premiumbeat.com.
Meta-analyses show 15 to 25% immediate pain reduction. Studies confirm 28.7% less post-exercise pain. Lift 20% heavier. Post-training, our cold laser accelerates fiber healing 3 times. Yoga wrists, stiff neck, customizable pads target any area. Wake up refreshed, not wrecked. Whether you're scaling mountains, running marathons, or cycling at breakneck speeds, it adapts to your needs. As a company holding U.S. patents, FDA clearance, and CE certification, MATELASER's technology is trusted by professionals and endorsed by top sports brands and medical institutions. Unleash your true potential with W1 REGEN and say goodbye to pain for good.